A cognitive bias refers to the thinking pattern and mental shortcuts humans develop through millions of years of evolution. It's helpful in terms of letting us survive in the wild under a hostile environment, but it may hinder decision making in our modern society. Cognitive biases are also common in product development, with many can be leveraged by designers. For example, motivation to finish a task increases as a user makes a stride towards a goal. And this is why a lot of products like Dropbox ask users to complete specific tasks to gain access to premium features. Also, people are more likely to follow the actions of others when making decisions. This can be more evident in ratings and reviews, since reviewers are more likely to give negative comments when they see an app with lower ratings. Furthermore, some app designers leverage the IKEA effect. Users are more likely to value a product when they need to take extra steps to customize an experience. Music streaming apps or Netflix allows users to define their preferences and steer the algorithm to their likings. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.